Hello folks, welcome back to Fox and Compass. Today we are here with two good recipes, a garlic cheese bread and a good homemade mayonnaise. So let's get into the first part of it, which is the garlic cheese bread. And for this all we need is some sandwich bread, mozzarella cheese, some butter, garlic, some red chili flakes and some coriander leaves. So once you have all these things ready, let's begin the recipe by finely chopping off the coriander leaves. And then let's take 2 cloves of garlic, peel off the skin and cut it very finely. So this is a recipe which I've learned from my mother. She used to prepare it during my school days, especially during monsoon. Trust me, during monsoon, this is a must-try recipe. Chop off the garlic very finely and then let's add in some butter into a bowl and then add in some salt. This is purely because I've taken unsalted butter. Add in the chopped off coriander leaves and the chopped off garlic, and then comes our red beast, which is the red chili flakes. This is completely homemade and very spicy one, so I don't want to add it much. Give it a good mix, and once your mixing is over, your bread spread should look something like this. Beautiful. Let's keep it aside and start grating some mozzarella cheese. And then we have the grated mozzarella cheese. Now let's fill in the grated mozzarella cheese between 2 slices of bread and then apply the spread what we have prepared some time back. Apply it evenly, and once you're done with this, it's time to heat up the pan. You don't need to add oil to the pan because the spread itself is made out of butter. Make sure the pan is nice and hot, and then in low flame we'll put the sandwich in. After 2 minutes, once the bottom part is done, we'll apply the spread on top of the bread and toast the other side of the bread. So let's gently flip it over. Oh god, look at that. I'm getting that beautiful smell of garlic and butter. So that's it with the garlic cheese bread. This is how it will look like once it's done. Now let's quickly get into the second part of the video, which is homemade mayonnaise. So for this we need 2 raw eggs, a clove of garlic, some vinegar, sugar, salt and some refined sunflower oil or olive oil. Now let's quickly break in 2 eggs into the blender. Only the first one will go in with a yolk. For the second one, we'll take only the egg white. Now take a clove of garlic, cut it and put it in the blender. And then half a teaspoon of sugar goes in, and then a teaspoonful of vinegar. If you want your mayonnaise to be a little more punchier, you can add 1 more teaspoon of vinegar, nothing wrong in that. 1/4 teaspoon or a pinch of salt, and then let's blend it nicely. Once this is done, let's start introducing oil part by part. Let's pour in 1/4 cup of oil and then blend it. Check out the consistency. If you need a more thicker mayonnaise, add in more oil. Keep adding oil part by part until you get the desired consistency, and this is what I want. So we are done with the mayonnaise. Now let's start serving. And there we have a garlic cheese bread with a homemade mayonnaise dip waiting to be eaten in a monsoon season like this. So if you like the recipe, do make it at home and enjoy with your family.